According to T.B. Naik, he has tried to identify features of tribes in India. Tribes have very little functional internal dependence as opposed to caste backward internal dependence, which is very high. Economically, tribals are backward. They practice either pre-agrarian economy or simple agrarian economy. So the full import of monetary economics is not understood by tribals. Simple barter system existed earlier. The technology used should be very simple. Tribals practice fishing, hunting to satisfy their economic needs. Geographically, tribal communities access high hills and forests and remain in isolation. A tribal community is culturally distinctive, often with dialect of its own. Dialect is not scripted. This dialect shows different variations, and internally tribals are politically independent with their own institution. Tribal resist change for their own customs and traditions. They are owned by their customary laws. Aaron Fels commented on Naik's definition with certain disagreements. He says that isolation may apply to a class as well as a tribe. But what distinguishes castes from tribes is castes see themselves as a part of large community of hierarchy of castes. But tribes should not be included in the Hindu caste hierarchy, and they have common dialect, common beliefs, and may even follow common occupation practices, and importantly they consider themselves as semi-nation. He rejects the term economically backward and says that we should consider it economically self-sufficient. Not all tribals are isolated. Bhils, Santals are example who are not isolated and have an autonomous economy. The issue of common dialect, the central Indian and northeast tribes have common language, but some of the tribes of south and west speak same language as their northern counterparts. Adilabad and Maharashtra Gonds speak same language. Many tribals have adopted the non-tribal religion. Traditionally, tribals followed magical beliefs, but they are now converted to Christianity. The tribals are not always autonomous with tribal council of their own. Members of tribes have belongingness to a distinct group. Whatever is said by Naik are confronted by other sociologists. Madan and Muzumdar have tried to identify certain features for all tribes in India. First one, tribe is a territorial group. Kinship idiom dominates intra-tribal interaction, as well as result of that there is practice of tribal endogamy. So they are divided into exogamy clans. Members of tribals speak common language. They have joint ownership of property. For intra-tribal conflicts, there exist panchayat councils. Other distinguished features are youth dormitory institutions, moral code, difference from Hindus and Muslims, continuation of certain religious practices. Traditionally, there was absence of the following criteria. Now, Madan and Muzumdar criteria has not been relevant because education has been increased. This is the fundamental definition of tribals, which is extremely different.